All right, guys, so what we got going on here is our Rockwool going up. We got the crew up behind me on the roof installing this. It's the Rockwool Comfortboard 80. It's an R6 insulation value, 2 feet by 4 feet approximately. And all you do is you set this thing directly on the deck boards. So it goes directly on, and then to strap it, I got some screws back here, let me show you. To strap it, we got these screws, okay? So it's a screw with a washer on the end, and then a silicone sleeve. This sleeve, what it's gonna do is when you poke this screw through the Rockwool and push it in, that sleeve is gonna come out on the back side. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna seal the hole that the screw makes. Also, that sleeve, let me get it back out of here. That sleeve is a thermal break. So when you put a screw through the Rockwool, now you got this little pinhole of heat that's gonna come through the insulation. So by having this little silicone sleeve on it, I think it's silicone, I keep calling it that. I don't know if it is. We should look that up. But that sleeve on it is gonna act as a thermal break, so that way any heat that tries to transfer through this screw, it's going to stop it. That's what we need. So that's all we're doing. We're taking these boards, they're not bats, because they're pretty rigid, right? They can stand up on their own, they're nice. And you just put this directly on the deck. You can walk on it afterwards, it's not a problem. Use the same stuff in different thicknesses to put underneath your slabs, so you can walk on it, it's pretty strong. And this is gonna give us our thermal blanket all the way around the house. So we're doing the walls, we're doing the roof deck, and it's all gonna tie in together. So that way we have our thermal blanket all over the home. That's gonna help keep the roof deck warm. So that way we have drying capabilities. That's also in the winter gonna help keep our heat inside the home. So that's gonna make it a lot more comfortable. That's why we use Rockwool. There's a lot more benefits than that to using it. We've done tons of videos on this stuff. The fireproof capabilities, the hydrophobic. It's not gonna rot, it's not gonna mold, so it's fine to get wet. And it's gonna be perfect for our high performance home application.